It's day one of Salon International. The doors have just opened and the place is absolutely buzzing. There's so much going on this weekend. It's Salon's 50th birthday and we've got a load of celebrations happening, including a selfie wall. There's prizes to be won across the weekend, plus there's tons of free education across our live stages and so much more. And that brings us to the end of day one of Salon International. Come back tomorrow and we can't wait to do it all again.